Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Creating a delayed charge is helpful when you have a product that may need to be created and then shipped. A delayed charge allows you to create the charge and then convert it to an invoice when the product is shipped or picked up. To create a delayed charge, click the Create icon and select Delayed Charge under the Customer's heading. This will open the Delayed Charge page where you will enter the pertinent information. The first option is the Choose a Customer drop-down box. Here you can select from your list of customers or click the Add New option to add a new customer. The next option is a text box for the delayed charge date. This box is pre-populated with the current date, but you can change it. Next is the list where you will enter the products or services for which you are charging the customer. The list contains the headings Product or Service, Description, Quantity, Rate, and Amount. Clicking into the Product or Service column will open a drop-down box for you to select what product or service your customer will be purchasing. At the end of each line is a trash can icon that will allow you to delete that line. Below the list are two buttons, Add Lines and Clear All Lines. Clicking Add Lines will add more lines to the list, and clicking Clear All Lines will empty all of the lines of information. Below the list is a memo field where you can enter a note about the delayed charge. The Attachment section allows you to attach a file up to 25 megabytes. The final options along the bottom of the page are a Cancel button, a Clear or Revert button, a Make Recurring button, and a drop-down button with Save and New and Save and Close as its options. Clicking the Make Recurring link will open the Recurring Delayed Charge page that will allow you to set dates and a time period for a recurring delayed charge. This is helpful if a customer has a need for the same product on a recurring basis. When you've completed your entries within the form, you can either click the Save and New or Save and Close buttons to save the data and create a new delayed charge, or save the data and close the menu. When it is time to convert your delayed charge into an invoice, click the Sales link underneath the Transactions link within the navigation bar. This will open the Sales Transactions page. From here, click the Unbilled Activity section of the Money bar to filter the sales transaction list to only include your unbilled items. From this list, select the delayed charge that you want to create the invoice for. The action column will display Start Invoice. Clicking this link will open the invoice page. The list of items you created in your delayed charge will be listed within the new invoice. Make any necessary adjustments and choose one of the Save options that appear at the bottom of the page. You can print this invoice using the Print or Preview link, or you can make the invoice recurring by clicking the Make Recurring link. If you make any mistakes or decide not to create an invoice at this time, you can click the Cancel button to close the menu. Doing this will leave the delayed charge as an unbilled activity and the invoice will not be created. You can also click the Save button or make a choice from the Save drop-down button to simply save the invoice if you do not need to print it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.